Good morning, students. Class 11. Let's continue the topic trigonometry. And today's topic is sine of trigonometric function. It is also called ASTC system. Student, we will take the quadrant and coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, right, into the four quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant, that is the third quadrant, and that is the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, theta is acute angle and theta is less than 90 degree and greater than 0. Student, you will see all trigonometric functions are positive here. So we will take positive sign for this. Now in the second quadrant, theta is less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. And here sine and its reciprocal cosec is positive here and other trigonometric functions are negative. So that is why we will take S for sine. In the third quadrant, theta is less than 270 degree and greater than 180 degree. And here tan theta and its reciprocal cot theta is positive and others are negative. So we will take T for this quadrant. Now in fourth quadrant, theta is less than 360 degree and greater than 270 degree. And here cosec cos theta and its reciprocal sec theta is positive and others are negative. And here the angle is negative also. If we take this angle, so this angle is the minus theta. That's why fourth quadrant is considered as a negative angle also. Now students, on the behalf of this quadrant system, we will learn all these formulas. There are number of formulas and we have divided this into according to the type. So type 1, in the type 1 is the first quadrant, theta is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. So formula number 1, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. And cot 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Student, you have also learned this formula in 10th standard also. That is called complementary angles. Now, in the second quadrant, theta is less than 180 degree, greater than 90 degree, and formulas are like that. Sin 90 plus theta, it is plus cos theta, because in second quadrant, sin is positive. In formula number 2, cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, because in this quadrant theta is negative. Tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta, and etc. Because we can write similar formulas for cosec, sec and cot also. Now there is a type 3. In the type 3, sin 180 degree minus theta is sin theta. Student, it is also the second quadrant and angle is less than 180 degree. Cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta, because in second quadrant cos is negative. Same, tan 90 minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Student, one of the important thing is this: whenever there is a 90 degree or 270 degree, there is a complementary change. Means sin convert into cos, cos convert into sin, tan into cot, cosec into sec, sec into cosec, and cot into tan. So they are the changes you will see here. Then there is a type 4 quadrant, third. In the third quadrant, theta is more than 180 degree. So here theta is less than 270 degree and greater than 180 degree. The formula number 1, sin 180 degree plus theta equal to minus sin theta because third coordinate sin is negative. Cos 180 degree plus theta is minus cos theta and tan 180 degree plus theta is plus tan theta because in third coordinate tan is positive. Same is the fifth coordinate and in the type 5. Type 5 is also the third coordinate, right? Here theta is less than 270 degree. So it is sin 270 degree minus theta. There is a complementary change because the odd multiple of pi by 2. So it is 270 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos 270 degree minus theta is minus sin theta and tan 270 degree minus theta is plus cos theta. So these are the some formulas. There are some more formulas we will discuss after that. Students, let's continue the formulas. Now it is type 6 and it is the fourth quadrant. Theta is less than 360 and greater than 270 degree. Formula number 1, sin 270 degree plus theta is minus cos theta. Because it is the fourth quadrant, in the fourth quadrant sin is negative. Then cos 270 degree plus theta is plus sin theta, fourth quadrant cos is positive. Tan 270 degree plus theta is minus cos theta because in fourth quadrant tan is negative and there are complementary change because there is a 270 degree and it is the odd multiple of 90 degree. Then type 7 is a fourth quadrant. It is also called 360 degree minus theta. So sin 360 degree minus theta is minus sin theta. Cos 360 degree minus theta is plus cos theta. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Tan 360 degree minus theta is minus tan theta. Student, next is type 8. It is also the fourth quadrant and here angle is considered as a negative angle. So there is a formula number 1, sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Second formula, cos minus theta equal to plus cos theta. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. Sec minus theta equal to plus sec theta because reciprocal of cos is positive. Then cot minus theta equal to minus cot theta. We can also say that cosine absorb the minus sine. Now is a type 9. When theta is more than 360 degree, it means angle is more than 360 degree means one round complete. There is angle theta, right? So here one round is complete. It is more than 360 degree plus theta. Or it is also called 2n pi plus theta. Here n is a integer, n belongs to z. Then theta is more than 360 degree, formula number 1, sin 2n pi plus theta. It means n number of round completed and angle goes to the first quadrant. That is why sin is positive here. Then sin 2n pi minus theta. It means last round is not completed and angle is lying in the fourth quadrant. So that is why sin is negative, so minus sin theta. And formula number 3, cos 2n pi plus minus theta equal to plus cos theta because when angle goes in first quadrant or in fourth quadrant, cos is always positive. That is why it is cos 2n pi plus minus theta is plus cos theta. And there are no formulas for tan and cot. We can frame according to this.